fire lights up the sky. Mavericks question reasons why. Brother fights against his own. The nation's seeds of discord zone. Battles range from shore to shore. The cost of conflict felt so sore. Yet in the shadows, hope survives, inspiring souls to change their lives. SchoolBus.Rocks, let's sing it loud. Global elites network, join the crowd. With leadership, we'll take a stance and push the world to advance. Lincoln stood with steadfast gaze. His words ignited freedom's blaze. Emancipation's mighty roar opened up a brand new door. Clara Barton, angel true, tended wounds and spirits too. Her tender care and healing hands became a beacon in the lands. SchoolBus.Rocks, let's sing it loud. Global elites network, join the crowd. With leadership, we'll take a stance and push the world to advance. Ironclads clashed in the bay. Innovations led the way. Technology in war's cruel dance pushed the boundaries of advance. When the final shot was fired, a weary nation felt inspired. Rebuilding from the ashes gray, the Mavericks led the hopeful way. They didn't let the dream collapse. Instead, they drew up fresh new maps. With every brick and every beam, they pieced together freedom's dream. The stars and stripes waved in the breeze, a symbol of united seas. With Maverick hearts and open minds, they healed the wounds of troubled times. Through hard work and a team's embrace, they fought to heal this wounded place. Adventure kept their spirits high. They reached for stars beyond the sky. SchoolBus.Rocks, let's sing it loud. Global elites network, join the crowd. With leadership, we'll take a stance and push the world to advance. Lincoln stood with steadfast gaze. His words ignited freedom's blaze. Emancipation's mighty roar opened up a brand new door. Barton, angel true, tended wounds and spirits too. Her tender care and healing hands became a beacon in the land. The ironclads clashed in the bays, build a world that's fair and just. Together we can take the chance and push the world to advance.